Hello everyone, today I want to share with you what I received in my August Fearless Nail Art subscription. A little bit about Fearless Nail Art. It is a subscription box that each month the box has a theme and the contents of the boxes is catered around that theme. Each month these boxes include one stamping plate, 2 water decals, a stencil, and 2 to 3 other nail art supplies. One of the things that I really love about Fearless Nail Art is that these boxes are delivered at the beginning of the month, so you have the entire month to work with products and create beautiful manis. Another thing that's really cool is each one of these boxes includes a stamping plate. I don't know about you guys, but I am really getting into stamping, so the fact that it includes a stamping plate that revolves around each month's theme, I think is really cool. Okay, first let's check out this box. Is that not cute? Oh my goodness, I love it. I'm so excited to get into this, so let's check it out. The first thing I see in the box is the card that talks about the month's theme. This one is Fantasies. And then on the reverse side here, it has a list of the products that you're going to be receiving. First thing is this adorable stamping plate. This is so cute. The fact that there are mermaids, fish, seashells, crabs even, that's so cool. This stamping plate would be really cute in helping to create any underwater sea themed mani. The next thing in here is these cute water decals. This little mermaid is so precious. With the fish scales and the seashells, this too is going to be beautiful and I cannot wait to use them. Next up we have this beautiful mermaid inspired striping tape. I have noticed that this striping tape is a little bit wider than the normal striping tape that I use, so I'm anxious to see how this is going to work on my little nubbins. This color is so beautiful and totally screams mermaid to me. Now we have these beautiful gems. These are so pretty. They remind me of my daughter's birthstone. She is an October baby and their birthstone is opal, so these are just the epitome of opal. They look gorgeous. I love the reflectiveness. So pretty. These ones are going to be really fun to use too. Okay, quick question, guys. I have received quite a few gems in different subscription boxes, and they always come in these little baggies like this or the little Ziploc bags. I am trying to find a better way to store these for me. I think if I leave them in here, they're more apt to spill. I just feel that I need to find a better way to store these. So I'm kind of looking for small little containers to hold the gems in. If you have any ideas, please leave that down below. I would love to check it out. Next up are these wave stencils. I think these would be so pretty if you put on the stencil and did kind of a gradient with the different ocean colors. I think that would be really pretty, and these stencils would work perfect for that. The final item in here is a wax pencil. I don't own one of these. I've never used one, but I'm thinking this is going to be way better than using a pair of tweezers, because picking up those little tiny rhinestones with tweezers is a little difficult. So I think this wax pencil is going to come in really handy. So those are the products that were in my Fearless Nail Art August subscription with the theme Fantasies. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I hope it was helpful. I have had questions and comments if I thought that these subscription boxes were worth the money. I have in the past received a few different nail art subscription boxes. After trying them for a few months, I have kind of determined which ones I want to keep receiving and which ones are just not for me. As far as Fearless Nail Art subscription specifically, I totally think it's worth the money. I find that getting a subscription box that is curated around a specific theme kind of jumpstarts the creativity train and gets you creating great manis all month long. Getting boxes that are centered around a specific theme just really helps with that. And again, if you guys have any suggestions for little containers to store my rhinestones in, I would really appreciate that. Just leave it in the comments below and I will be sure to check it out. Leave any comments and suggestions below and I will see you in the next one.